Hi teacher, my name is Evelyn Catacta. Next I will talk about general objectives of the project. Make a laptop covered with used upholstery materials from deteriorated furniture seats in order to avoid environmental contamination by toxic substances from its components.
Hi teacher, general objectives. Create a recycled material handbag project. Specific objectives. Design a prototype of a stylish and functional handbag using only recycled materials. And to promote eco-friendly practices by raising aware about importance of recycling and reusing materials through the handbag project.
Hi teacher, my name is Erle Aguirre. Next, we are going to talk about the introduction of the final project. Introduction. This project is carried out with the purpose of reusing materials that we have in our homes, such as furniture remains, tears and buttons to make materials that are useful in our daily lives as students. On this occasion, a laptop case was made, making it more economical and contributing to contamination, giving a new use to these materials.
Hi teacher, my name is Patricio Carrera. I am going to talk about the introductions. In many times in our homes, we have many materials which at first glance might seem that they are no longer useful. With our project, we want to demonstrate that it's possible to create something useful with recycled material, which will be of great help for students since the economic cost of elaboration is very low in addition to contributing to the environmental science, the materials of the armament chairs, then to be harmful to nature. Next, my partner.
Okay. Hi teacher, my name is Pablo Inesa. I will explain the procedure and materials. Materials. Remain of furniture, seat, upholstery, black thread, tape measure, white plastic snap button, um, sewing machine. Procedure. First, the measurements are taken for the product to be manufactured. Drawing of paper or the same materials to be used. We make the respective molds with the help of chalk, pencil, or marker to later assemble them and obtain the desired product. With the leftovers of luxury from furniture seats, we cut with a mold with the following measurements, and another with the same measurements but on the opposite side. For the central part of the case, we will cut out the rectangular mold 9.5 centimeters with and 66 centimeters long. We will obtain the following parts. The measurements of the following figures were used for the brush. We sew all these parts that we took out with the molds in the machine. And finally, we obtained the laptop case made from furniture seat upholstery waste.
My name is Andres Toinga. And finally, we obtained the laptop case made from the furniture set posterior waste. The laptop case. The purpose of developing this product is that currently furniture and set posterior waste can be a source of environmental contamination due to the materials and chemicals that make up these products. Some of environmental problems associated with these wastes include solid waste. Upholstery remains, what generally contain foams. Synthetic fabrics and other materials can generate large amounts of solid waste when deposited off. If not properly managed, this waste can be ended up in the landfills, taking up space and release contaminate into soil and water. Release a toxic substance. Some materials used in the manufacture of the pseudoposter may contain toxic substances, such as a flame retardants, dyes, glues, and synthetic chemicals. When these materials decompose or burn, they can release hazardous substances into air and soil, lowering water and air quality. Impact on aquatic life. If posterior debris reach bodies in the water, it can negatively affect aquatic life. Synthetic materials can take a long time to decompose, resulting in a buildup of debris and aquatic ecosystem and they affect aquatic and plants. Use of natural resources. The production of furniture of upholstery involves the use of natural resources such as water, energy, and raw materials in a carried or a sustainable manner. It can contribute to the depletion of these resources. Carbon emissions. The transportation of the said upholstery and its manufacturing can generate carbon emissions, contributing the climate change. To reduce the environmental impact of the leftover such upholstery, it is essential to adopt sound ways to management practice, such as recycling and the reuse. In addition, more and more companies are opting to use the more sustainable and less toxic materials in the manufacturing of the furniture and upholstery to reduce their environment footprint.
Hi, my name is Francisco Kell, and today I will to show the conclusion. Well, the laptop case project series as commendable and practical example for how reusing materials in our homes can lead to significant benefits for both individuals and the environment. By actively utilizing future remains, fields, and bottoms to craft useful items like laptop cases, the project not only reduces weight but also offers an economical solution for students, contributing to the current decontamination and promoting a cleaner, more environmentally conscious approach to daily life.